Hello and welcome back to Life in Every Season. Hope you're having a great day. It's beautiful out today, so I'm very thankful for that. Bruce is getting ready to tackle a project for me because he's so kind and good to me. I wanted a little potting table to put out in our greenhouse. I don't like potting the plants and the seedlings in the house because of the cats and everything like that. So he's going to make me a potting table. And I'm going to let you go into what
I actually made a diagram. I don't know if you can see that. I took a few minutes in Excel. What I did, I am getting rid of scraps. So we had these whiteboard, they came out of the closet, so I'm gonna, before the remodel, so save those. I got a little door over here I'm gonna use for a bottom shelf. And scraps of 2x4s, and one, yes, was very dirty. So I'm going to put it on time lapse. What you going to do?
well, there's parts of our property that I guess people didn't realize that how much trash they had thrown out. But I'm going to go down on the other part of the property and pick up some trash because we will be using that other part for another garden, and I want it cleaned up before we start planting.
Be careful, I know there'll be busted glass.
Yeah, busted glass, steak knives. I found a steak knife standing straight up. If it hadn't been for the sun, I'd have gotten stabbed.
No pots of gold.
Who knows? Thank you for doing this. I'm gonna hit the road and go pick up trash.
We'll saw some boards into the appropriate sizes. Let's see if I did the diagram right.
As you can see, Bruce has been busy today. He made me my potting table for the greenhouse. And it's all recycled materials from the house before.
Yeah, all it cost was the screws
Yeah.
and the brad nails. and a little electricity to run the cordless drills and the miter saw. It feels sturdy.
Yeah.
I don't think we'll have more than 50, 60 pounds on it. I don't want to sit on it because I don't want to build it over, but I think it'll do the job.
I think so. Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
All right.
Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and thank you for stopping by Life in Every Season.
Bye.